Managing multiple WordPress websites can feel like juggling too many balls at once. Constant updates, security risk, and endless logins. But what if I tell you that there is a tool that can simplify it all? Meet Divi Dash, the ultimate WordPress management tool designed to keep your site secure and up to date effortlessly. So let's dive in and see how it works. My name is Ankit and you're watching Elegant Themes YouTube channel, the makers of the Divi Visual Builder. Now Divi Dash is your all-in-one WordPress site management tool included for free with your Divi membership. Whether you are managing a handful of sites or an entire portfolio, Divi Dash makes update, maintenance and performance optimization a breeze, all from a single dashboard. Now to set up Divi Dash and connect your WordPress website, go to Dash in your Elegant Themes account and go to Websites and then click on Add Website. Now log in with your WordPress username and password, and that's it. You are now ready to perform update tasks on your website from Divi Dash. And the good news is you can add as many websites as you want. This makes Divi Dash ideal for freelancers, agencies, and anyone managing multiple WordPress websites. And here are the ways by which Divi Dash can help you stay on top of WordPress updates. Imagine updating WordPress core, themes and plugins for dozens of sites in just one click. With Divi Dash, you can. Its bulk update feature ensures all your connected sites stay secure and up to date without the hassle of logging into each one of them. Just head over to Update tab and then hit Update All. It's that simple. Now, why stop at bulk update when you can automate them? With Divi Dash automated updates feature, you can schedule updates for plugins, themes, and WordPress core at your own terms. Choose the frequency, time, and even time zone, and Divi Dash takes care of the rest. So never worry about missing an update again. Now keeping track of updates across multiple sites can be overwhelming, but Divi Dash offers a real-time overview of all your connected websites. From active plugins to outdated themes and pending WordPress updates, you have all the information you need in one place, right at your fingertips. Not every plugin or theme needs update all the time. Divi Dash lets you exercise granular control by selecting specific elements to update. Whether you want to focus on single plugin or a group of themes, Divi Dash ensures you only update what's necessary, keeping your site lean and effective. Now, inactive plugins and outdated themes can slow down your site or even pose security risk. Divi Dash lets you manage all your themes and plugins in one place. Separate active from inactive ones, deactivate unnecessary plugins, or delete old themes directly from the dashboard to keep your site optimized and secure. Now I'm sure you are tired of remembering endless passwords or juggling between two-factor authentication codes. Divi Dash simplifies this with one-click login. Access any WordPress site directly from Divi Dash dashboard without the hassle of manual logins. It's fast, secure, and incredibly convenient. So Divi Dash doesn't just save you time, it's give you peace of mind. With features like automated updates, bulk action, and granular control, you can focus on growing your business, leaving the maintenance to Divi Dash. And the best part, it's completely free with your Divi membership. So if you are ready to take the stress out of your WordPress management, log into your Elegant Theme membership area, connect your Divi site, and experience effortless site management today. If you are new to Divi, there's never been a better time to try its risk-free. Get Divi and get Divi Dash and get control of your WordPress sites like never before. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more Divi and WordPress updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next video.